Hey everyone, Amtrak and C63FN here, and I think we got my new friend close to like right now. And there he is. And there he goes. And this is a different, this is a new friend, by the way, different new friend, because my other friends are not out on the tracks today because of course my sword friend works at the end of the weeks into the weekends, and then my second friend moves all over the place, saying sometimes he's out on the tracks during the week, sometimes he isn't, so I think he's still stuck back at New York Penn or something. And then my first friend, of course, is still stuck in Albany, dealing with all the switching moves there. But we have this friend, though, this brand new friend out on the tracks, and there he goes. I did catch him before, was 103. That was like a few months ago as well. I did catch him there as well. Yeah, but there he goes. Anyway, today, there he goes.